Good morning, guys. Do you know what day it is today? It is what I eat in a day today. Okay, now let's go make some brekkie. Welcome to my kitchen. We are going to make some breakfast. Breakfast is usually very simple. It's either upma, poha, oats, some parathas or bread omelette, bread toast, and stuff like that. And also, whatever indulgence I want to make, I do it in the first half of the day, especially in the breakfast, because I think then your body gets a lot of time to digest and you don't really have to go to sleep with that in your body, is what I think. If you guys want to control your diet like that, consume whatever, I'll not say kachra because you're eating it anyways, but whatever junk or whatever sugar and fat and stuff that you like to relish, do it in the first half of the day. Also for sugar, I love my chai. I need chai with all the meals that I make for breakfast. So for my chai, what I do is I use powder jaggery. I'll show you which one. So this is the jaggery that I have been using for so many years now, ever since I dropped sugar and I shifted to jaggery. This is the one that I've been using. This is 24 Mantra Organic. This is a really good powdered jaggery. So I'm just going to make some chai, bread omelette, and some jam. So we are ready with the breakfast. This is my bread jam and I have a banana here. This is elaichi banana. I feel that the first thing that goes into your stomach should be a fruit, because I am on intermittent fasting for almost 4 years now. Obviously I don't do it regularly, like it can't happen every single day, but I try and do it as much as I can. It has become a way of life for me now, and it has really helped me to just be healthy in general. I started it to control my weight because I was putting on weight, but now it has become my lifestyle, and I love intermittent fasting. I really think that it works for me. It has worked for my body, for my skin, for my hair, for my mood in general, like for everything. So all the more because I am on intermittent fasting, I believe that since I've not eaten for so long, I should start with a fruit. Good afternoon, guys. So it's lunch time and I've made something really quick, easy and yummy. So come on, let's do it. So I've made this pulao. This is a very colorful looking pulao, if you guys can see. This is going to be my lunch today. I'll take you guys through it while I eat. So this is my balanced diet. If breakfast is indulgence, lunch is that proper home cooked balanced diet for me. Ever since I went to college and started living on my own, I realized the importance of good home cooked meal, a balanced diet, nutrition that you need for your body to function properly. When you are in college, when you are living in hostel or PG, food is like the last thing in your agenda. I have eaten all the junk possible. After a point I realized that no, I can't do this to myself, to my body. I need good food, and that is when I started making the shift and I started cooking my own meal. I didn't know how to cook, so I just started experimenting and started making food that felt healthy, that gave me nutrition that is required. So since then I made sure that at least one meal in the day has to be that proper meal. I love chawal. The Nepali in me loves my chawal, but I also like roti. So mostly I have roti in the day, but I also have chawal once in a while. And on the days when I have run out of my green veggies, I make pulao. Today is that day. I just mix everything that's there in the fridge. Last night I soaked this white matar. I love this matar, white or yellow, I don't know. This is my favorite pulse grain. Again, I don't know. Anyway, I love this. This reminds me of home. This reminds me of childhood. So yeah. And also don't think that I'm a good girl just eating my meal and not scrolling through my phone or not watching Netflix. I do that. My phone is pure. I'm shooting on my phone. So that's why I have to pretend to be a good girl. Otherwise I'm not that, right? Dinner time and there is change of plan. I am going out. I'm going out for dinner. So dinner is basically more about experiments for me. Even when I'm eating at home, I don't like to eat the same thing that I ate for lunch. I prefer to experiment. So it's more like salads or soups or sauteed veggies or like anything experimental is what I prefer for dinner. So I was thinking what should I make, and then I just made this plan to go out, and I'm very excited because I'm going to step out after such a long time, as in step out to eat. Like I have not had dinner out in such a long time. This is an exciting turn of events to a very normal home cooked meal day for me. So I'm very excited. Let's go. So I'm back home. I had a lovely dinner outside. I cannot tell you how much I enjoyed. I thought actually how much I really needed, that break, to really go out and enjoy that dinner, because I've been home all the time. I've been working from home. I've been doing everything from home. So it was such a nice break for me. And yeah, I had a lot of fun. I ate so much to a point where I couldn't move, yeah, I had a great time. And it turned out to be a very interesting day. In fact, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on anything that I put out. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing night today. Lots of love to each one of you.